Ihabol natin si Raymond bago
Eto,
si
Lakay,
Het.
dahil ang kahilingan daw ni Senator Marcoleta na baguhin ang minutes ng Commission on Appointment hinggil sa kanyang pahayag tungkol sa Kalayaan Island Group, hindi pa naaaksyonan. Detalye balita mo, RH28, Raymond Adpaas. Lakay, Raymond.
Si Suel Mayo, hindi na-aksyonan ng Commission on Appointment o CA ang kahilingan ni Senador Dante Marcoleta na baguhin ang minutes o record ng hearing ng kanilang isinagawa noong February 4, 2026. Ito ay nang humarap ang 36 na matatas na opisyal ng AFP para sa confirmation hearing kung saan sinabi ni Marcoleta na i-give up na lamang ang Kalayaan Island Group o KIG dahil nasa labas na ito ng Exclusive Economic Zone o EEZ ng Pilipinas. Katwiran ni Marcoleta, hindi niya sinasabing ipamigay ang KIG kundi hypothetical lang daw ang kanyang pagkabanggit nito sa nasabing hearing. Kaya't nag-object ito ng nag-motion si Camiguin Congressman J.J. Romualdo bilang majority leader ng CA na naaprobahan ang minutes ng February 4 hearing. Narito si Senador Rodante Marcoleta.
If a map is drawn appropriating the high seas, we will violate the UNCLOS itself. With the dilemma of plotting the West Philippine Sea that will include the waters of the KIG in the high seas, Senator Marcoleta used a hypothetical scenario of giving up the KIG if only to simplify the problem of delimiting the West Philippine Sea. He further said that within the South China Sea are the EEZs from different countries and that Vietnam, Malaysia, and China were able to manage their differences and consequently had numerous oil and gas explorations within their areas. The Philippines has been left behind on this aspect as we have been unable to manage our dispute.
Ito si RH28, Raymond Adpaas para sa DZRH. Una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.
Maraming salamat, Raymond Adpaas.